Hey everyone, Merry Christmas. Yes, I got my hair in rollers. I'm just trying to give it a little bit of oomph for Christmas Day. I'm gonna open this Barbie miniature nostalgic tea set. It's the Solo in the Spotlight tea set. So let's kind of focus on that and not so much on me. Okay, so here's the tea set. Ooh, this is gonna be for the Barbie B&B Dream House. I needed a tea set for them. So let's set the table with this cute little tea set. I'm gonna turn it right around over here. And we get these adorable little plates. They have a rose on them in Barbie. And this cute little coffee or teacup. Just the perfect size. I've wondered what to do with this for quite a while. And now that Barbie's bought a dream house that's a B&B, she needed some dishes. We'll be filling up the china cabinet with some of them. Set some right here. And look at this little teapot. I love the little teapot. I have other teapots. This one's a little bigger, but maybe we can just put it in the china cabinet or set it on the stove. Maybe I'll just set this over here on the stove. Now I gotta tell you what's going on with the Barbies. They've been working really hard getting the dream house set up. But one Barbie, well, she's not even Barbie, she's that Unita doll. Wendy, we're gonna call her. She's been a little bit on the lazy side. The Barbies have been having a discussion because she seems to be just laying around and not helping so much. So what are we gonna do about her? I don't know. But there's the table, isn't it cute? Let me get it up close. It's all set up with a pretty little candelabra on the table. And we have the sugar. I guess this is the sugar and the creamer in a platter. Let's see if I can get this little platter out. I am not editing this video, so if you want to watch edited videos, be my guest. I just don't have the time right now to do an edited video. Sorry, but that's what it's going to be. What you see is what you're getting today. Oh, I just think this is adorable. Adorable, adorable. And Midge here, she's still got her Christmas outfit. They don't change clothes very often. But they are going to have a New Year's Day party, and they're going to get all dressed up. But let's switch over to see the one that's not doing much work. Wendy. So here's Wendy. And Wendy tends... Here's Wendy, and what Wendy tends to do is this right here. Let's open the door so you can see her. What does Wendy tend to do? Wendy tends to lie in the bed. So the girls are having a meeting. Midge thinks Wendy's just being way too laxed and just letting everybody else do the work. What do you think, Barbie? I think somebody needs to talk to her about laying around and getting up and doing something. Well, it's not gonna be me. Well, who's it gonna be? How about the cook? The cook's pretty good woman. Yes, I will have a talk with Wendy. I do all the cooking around this place. You other girls do all the cleaning and the reorganizing. And where is Wendy, by the way? Where is Wendy? Where is Wendy? Oh, there she is. She just kind of laxing around in the bed today, not doing much of nothing. Wendy, get your you-know-what out of the bed. The Barbies just don't like it. No, and the Midge and the other Barbies. Let's name the Barbies today. Midge. I need a good one for this one. She looks like a Lisa to me, so I'm gonna call her L Barbie for Lisa Barbie. And this one looks like well, we'll just call her Barbie because she's not even our main Barbie. She's the ponytail Barbie. If you can think of some good names to name these dolls, let me know. I think I'm gonna call her Bobby. Bobby with an I, B-O-B-B-I. So this is Bobby Barbie. This is Lisa Barbie. And this is Cook Barbie, of course. And this is Midge. Now our older Barbie, she went out shopping to get some things for the dinner. This is the day before Christmas, let's say. But here is our table already and nice at the B&B. The girls got a lot to do. They still got an empty room here. They got partially room there. There's their Christmas area. And of course they got one bedroom that's ready to go, but Wendy's just really relaxing in that one. So what's gonna happen with that? Here comes Wendy Barbie. She's coming to meet the other girls. Hi girls, what's going on? Not much, Wendy. We're just getting ready for dinner. Barbie, Chef Barbie, you want to say something to Wendy? Yes, I believe I do. What do you want to say to me? Well, you haven't been pulling your fair share around here lately, Wendy. What do you mean? You've been lying in the bed too much while we're all working. Well, I needed to brush my hair and wash my hair and brush my hair. Well, do it. I can't. What you mean you can't? I need you to brush it for me. Why should I brush it for you? Well, did I get any more oomph? Took my rollers down. Yes, this is a little series that I'm starting that deals with some real life issues, but I'm going to be showing my vintage Barbies and kind of telling a story through that. I hope you enjoy it. So what do you do? How do you deal with laziness, lazy people? Sometimes there is just no dealing with them, it seems like. But I'm gonna have a little series, and Barbies are gonna have to deal with a lazy Wendy. So we'll see what happens there. I'm gonna make it a little comical, a little serious, throw in maybe some controversial stuff once in a while. If you have any ideas or anything you'd like me to throw in, go right ahead and I'll see if I can handle it. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a Merry Christmas. And why does she think Chef Barbie is supposed to comb her hair or brush her hair? What is up with that? Tune in next week for whenever it is, the new year, for the new year, to see what happens at the New Year's party.